Hello and welcome to the second part of the video about the 7-pointed star. So I did a video the other day about tangling on this 7-pointed star. This is what it looked like to begin with. This is the plain paper one. And there is a slight error in my maths here somewhere. I haven't yet worked it out. But I'm going to show you what I do once I've got to this stage. So you fold along all those lines that are marked on there, and then when you do that, it folds up into this. Isn't that cute? So that's what one bit looks like, and that's the other side. And you can see what I mean about my maths being slightly out there. It should be a more regular shape on the inside. And there is one bit that doesn't quite fold correctly along the lines, but I can't remember which one it is. I also realised that I should probably have done, just open it again, each side of this differently, because this is one pattern and you can fold these bits going in the other direction. This hasn't been folded in the other direction yet, but actually easier when it's is that the original direction? I've lost track. No, this must be the other direction. Oh, in fact, it seemed to fold easier that way. So if I'd done these pointy bits, instead of doing, oh yeah, you can see there's some inaccuracy there in the folding of that one. If I'd done a different pattern on each of these bits, then I would have got a different result, which way I folded it. So that was that one. And then here's, zoom out a little bit, or a lot. This was another one that I did on thinner paper. In fact, I think this might be my original one. And I did a different pattern in the middle, but because the middle ends up being the back, it doesn't kind of really matter. Nope, you've got to fold the other way, right? And that's what this one looks like. And this was the one that was slightly inaccurate on this. And I don't know if it's because I'm doing it with 7 points or if it would be different with 6. I'm not too sure. And again, obviously this can fold the other way as well. But you do just get more or less the same pattern. And you can only see little bits of these bits underneath. And I've been limited by the size of the paper that I've used. And on this one, because I haven't done tangling right to the end there, the points look bare. Let me just fold this one back up again. And somebody asked me, one of my friends asked me, why have you done that, Sue? And I said, because I could. So you can see little bits of the things there. So that's the second part of the tangling on a 7-pointed star. Thanks for watching. I think I'm going to try it with a 6-pointed one and see if I can make that work. Bye now.